Hi lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time, thanks so much for stopping by. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you are new here and hit the notification bell so anytime I upload a video, you'll be the first to get it. Also like, share, comment down below at the comment section. I'm Janet Owusuwa, a community health nurse, and this channel is about health education for kids and adults. On my previous video, I talked about the combined pills, so we'll leave the link down below at the description box. You can go check it out. So I'm moving on with the emergency contraceptive pills. Kindly watch this video to the end to know everything about this emergency contraceptive pills. And how often do you think one can use this emergency contraceptive pills? Kindly leave your answer at the comment section. Stay tuned. So, emergency contraceptive pills. When we say emergency contraceptive pills, what do you think they are? And how often do you think we should use it? If you've used it before or you have any idea about it, kindly leave your comments down below at the comments section. So when we talk about emergency contraceptive pills, they are pills that can be taken after having an unprotected sex. And then some types of these emergency contraceptive pills work best when taken within 72 hours, that's 3 days after unprotected intercourse. And then in era of an increased cases of rape, victims have to be supported in a way to prevent this unwanted pregnancy, hence the need of the knowledge on the emergency contraceptive pills. And then as the name suggests, it should be taken as an emergency. And then when you forget to use a contraceptive pills. However, emergency do not happen every day, every week, or every month. It should not be taken every day or every week. How to use this emergency contraceptive pills? Those emergency contraceptive pills should be taken at the right time and then the right method within 72 hours of having an unprotected sex. The sooner you take, the more effective it will be. And so do not wait for the cutoff period of 72 hours to happen. And then other options include the use of the progestin only pills within 42 to 72 hours, or insertion of copper released intrauterine device within 5 days of unprotected sexual intercourse. And it should be taken with small proportion of water, preferably after food, in order to avoid side effects like nausea and then vomiting. And if you vomit within 2 hours after taking the pills, then it is more likely the pills is omitted out, and then you will need to take another pill as soon as possible. Emergency contraceptive pills can be taken preferably 24 hours, maximum 72 hours. And then indications of taking this emergency contraceptive pill: rape victims, IUCDs failure or IUD failure, breakage or slippage of a barrier metal like a condom, and then missing 2 or more oral contraceptive pills or in a pill cycle. In these situations, emergency contraceptives offer the second chance to avoid an unwanted or unexpected pregnancy. Common side effects of this emergency contraceptive pills is nausea. And the nausea is feeling of sickness with an urge to vomit. That is nausea. And then vomiting. If the woman vomits 2 hours after taking the pills, she may take another dose. However, This will not make the method more effective, but may rather increase nausea. There are different brands of this emergency contraceptive pills, but the common ones that are available are the Postino 2, Lydia Post pill, Leblon 2, and then others. And then with the Postino 2, you can take one right after the intercourse, then after 12 hours, you take another pill. Or one can take all the two pills at the same time. Then, emergency contraceptive pills is to prevent pregnancy but not to interrupt or disrupt an already or existing pregnancy. So it is better to be on any family planning method than making the emergency contraceptive pills your family planning method. Every drug or medicine has its own advantages and then disadvantages. So let's see some of advantages of this emergency contraceptive pills. Emergency contraceptive pills are the only method to use to prevent pregnancy or unprotected intercourse or contraceptive accidents. And then it is also an essential part treatment for victims of sexual assault, that's rape and others. And then it is an appropriate option in the circumstances when male or female condom slips or break or leak. You can use the emergency contraceptive. And when a woman missed one or two combined oral pills, and then when a woman mixed one or two progestin only pills, it has its own disadvantages too. So let's see some of the disadvantages of this emergency contraceptive pills. One, nausea and vomiting, and then menstrual changes, dizziness, fatigue, breast tenderness, bleeding or spotting or irregular vaginal bleeding, and then it does not protect against STIs. An emergency contraceptive pills can interfere with the hormones and then the changes in the menstrual cycle, and it can even lead to infertility. It can also lead to blood clots and also lead to weight gain and then hypertension. So please, let's know how and when you take in this emergency contraceptive pills. Emergency contraceptive pills should be taken only when there are an emergency. Since emergency doesn't happen every day, please don't use emergency contraceptive pills as your contraceptives, because we have a lot of methods that are available and can help prevent an unwanted or unplanned pregnancy. So I have taken my time to explain almost all the methods on family planning, so you can check some of my videos on this family planning method. I've talked about the natural family planning, I've talked about the scientific one, and I've made you know with the scientific we have the short term, the long term, and then permanent method. And on the short term, I've talked of the combined pill, the mini pill, this emergency contraceptive pills. So you can choose, and we have injectables, implants, and even the permanent method. So you can check and choose the right method for yourself. Please, we shouldn't joke with this emergency contraceptive pills, since it can lead to infertility and all that. Thanks so much for watching today's video. On my next video, we'll talk about the injectable contraceptives and then how it also works, the advantages, disadvantages, and everything about the injectable contraceptives. So see you again on my next video. Kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, so anytime I upload a video, you'll be the first to get it. Also like, share, comment down below at the comment section. Bye guys, love you.